Hello बच्चों and welcome to my channel. Today we learn about types of verb. How many types of verb? There are two types of verb. There are two types of verb. Two types of verb. First, finite verb, and second is non-finite verb. First, finite verb. Second, non-finite verb. Finite verb has three parts: principal verb, second, linking verb, third, auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. First, infinitive second, gerund, third, participle. There are two types of verb. First, finite verb. Second, non-finite verb. Finite verb, three parts: principal verb, linking verb, auxiliary verb. Principal verb, linking verb, and auxiliary verb. Infinite, three parts: infinitive, gerund, and participle. Infinitive, gerund, and participle. Thank you.